iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and today we're going to learn about the preposition by. And as you can see here, we have the mind map for using by correctly in English grammar. So as you can see here, we have 4 things to talk about. First, we will talk about a number of different ways that we can use by. We can use by meaning next to or beside, to say how somebody travels, and to say something is done by somebody or something in the past. So, first, a number of different ways we can use by. For example, by post, by hand, and by chance or by accident or by mistake. Let's further expand this one to see more information. We hadn't arranged to meet. We met by chance. And I found my old book by mistake. So these are 2 examples of using by chance, by accident, or by mistake in a sentence. So now let's go to the next topic, which is we can use by to mean next to or beside. For example, come and sit by me. And where's the light switch? By the door. So these are 2 examples of using next to and beside to mean by. Next, we can use by to say how somebody travels. By plane, by boat, etc., but on foot. But in my car, on the train, on the bus, or train. So let's see some examples of by plane, by boat, etc., but on foot. So Liz usually goes to work by bus. And did you come here by car or on foot? So as you can see in our examples, we're using these things. Next, to say how somebody travels, in my car, on the train, on the bus, or train. For example, they didn't come in their car, they came in a taxi. And we traveled on the 6:45 train. So those are examples of using in my car, on the train, on the bus, or train. Finally, let's go down here. We can use by to say something is done by somebody or something, passive. For example, have you ever been bitten by a dog? And the program was watched by millions of people. So in both these examples, we're using it to say something is done by somebody or something in the passive. So here is your completed mind map for using by correctly in English grammar. If you want, you can always come back to this for your reference. But if you're ready to move on, you can click here to find the outline for more information. So here's the outline for by, using by correctly in English grammar. You can scroll through this outline to find more information on how to use this correctly. And you can also find further examples of sentences. So once you're finished reading the outline, you can click here to take the test to see how well you know the English grammar rules for by. So in the next video, we will take the test together. So thanks for joining me in this video where we looked at the English grammar rules for using by in the mind map and the outline. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.